This is Carmel Provincial House. This is actually a monastery in which brothers live and get to learn about philosophy, brotherhood, and religiousness. This is the garden of CMI Provincial House. This is Indian neem. This is dragon fruit plant. This is glasswoo plant. This is white cedar. This is paradise tree. This is banyan tree. Now we will go inside that narrow path. This is CMI Provincial House Church. This is a coffee plant and its scientific name is Coffea arabica. This is the raw coffee and this is the ripened coffee. The caffeine in the coffee helps us to get energy in the morning. This is tiger bamboo tree. Its scientific name is Bambus ventricosa. Do you know that why it is known as tiger bamboo? There are two reasons. One, that you can see the stripes on its stem. It looks like the tiger's stripes. And the second point is that the tiger hides to hunt the prey. Now let's go. This is a bay leaf tree and in Hindi it is also called as tejpatta. It is a spice and used in cooking to give a good fragrance and smell. Now come on, let's go. This is Logan plant. Its scientific name is Dymocarpus logan. This is the jackfruit tree. This is CMI Provincial House badminton court. Now I will show you an interesting thing about biodiversity which you have never seen before. The major part of the pond is the habitat of the guppy fish, and its scientific name is Polychaetus reticulatus. Along with the pond water, the excreta of guppy fish is coming in this narrow path, and then they have sown the seeds of water cabbage. This is a very good plantation done by CMI fathers and brothers. This is a dog and its species name is Doberman. I think this is of 1 to 2 years. This is a small poultry farm of CMI Provincial House. Now I am going to show you some hens, and its scientific name is Meleagris gallipago. There are some interesting facts about hens. First, that they belong to the family of peacock, and the second point is that they are the closest relative of T-Rex dinosaur. Now I am going to show you some ducks. Its scientific name is Anas linnaeus. This is a small pond, but it's very deep. In this a crocodile and many fishes live. This is the basketball ground of Carmel Provincial House. Now we will go to the Carmel Bio Farm. You can see that this is a plant of rose apple barley. Now I will show you a miracle fruit plant. Do you know that why it is called as miracle fruit? I will tell you. It is called as miracle fruit because it is used for making medicines for high cholesterol and diabetes. These are pigs, and its scientific name is sus. This is the area for ginger plantation. This is vegetable development program done by Krishi Bhavan Mottupura. That is the biocompost unit. This is the apiculture. Apiculture is a scientific method of rearing honeybees for honey. This is sweet potato stem and also called as stolons. Its scientific name is Patata bravus, and it is sweet in taste. Now I will show you my favorite part in my neighborhood. That is the river. As you can see, it is a bamboo forest and it is best for meditation in the morning and walking.
For meditation in the morning and walking. This river is also known as Motupura River, and in front of mine it is an island. And as you can see the flow of river, it's very fast.
As you can see that there is a betel nut tree and I have a betel nut in my hand, and betel nut is used for making pans and you would have eaten the pans. Now finally I have reached my sweet home. Aditya Chauhan reporting with cameraman Karish Mishra, who is actually my big brother. Neighborhood News, Motupura, Kerala.